A very lovely good morning, children. Myself Saita Chaudhary, TGT science teacher in St. Joseph Public School, Tonk. Children, in last video we started chapter 1, which is food, where does it come from. Let's have a quick recap of that video. In that video we studied about the food. क्या कहेंगे, किसे कहेंगे हम food? Anything which we eat to live is called as food. Then we also discussed what is the importance of food. It gives us energy. It helps to maintain our body growth and repair damaged body parts, and along with that it improves our immunity also, the strength to fight against diseases, keep us away from diseases and illness. Then we also discussed types of food, raw food and cooked food. Whenever we cook food, we need different ingredients to cook a particular dish. In today's video, children, we are going to study about the food sources, the different sources of the food items which we eat. Basically, there are the two food sources, plant sources and animal sources. Let's study in detail about the plant sources of the food. Do you believe, students, that there is only one part of plant which can be eaten, or there are the various parts of the plants which can be eaten? अलग अलग पौधों के अंदर, प्लांट्स के अंदर अलग अलग पार्ट्स होते हैं जिनको हम कंज्यूम करते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फूड. Those edible parts, वो parts of the plants जिनको हम खाते हैं, are called as edible plant parts. अब इन edible plant parts को और अच्छे से समझने के लिए we can take help of one example, one diagram, students. In this diagram, the different plant parts are visible. They are labeled here. Let's start from here. These are the roots of the plant. So कुछ पौधों के अंदर पौधे अपना एक्स्ट्रा फूड अपनी रूट्स में जाके स्टोर कर लेते हैं और उनको हम फूड की फॉर्म में कंज्यूम करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रूट्स विच वी कंज्यूम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फूड आर कैरेट, रेडिश, गाजर, मूली जो हम खाते हैं, ये रूट्स ही होती हैं, स्पेशल टाइप की मॉडिफाइड रूट्स हैं. लेट्स टेक हेल्प ऑफ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज द स्टेम. स्टेम, कुछ पौधे ऐसे होंगे जहाँ पे पौधा अपना एक्स्ट्रा फूड अपनी स्टेम के अंदर जाके स्टोर करेगा और हम उसे कंज्यूम करेंगे. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दैट इज लाइक अनियन, पोटैटो, जिंजर. दीज आर द मॉडिफाइड स्टेम्स जिनको हम कंज्यूम करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज द लीफ. कुछ पौधों में हम पत्तियों को, लीव्स को कंज्यूम करते हैं. ग्रीन लीव्स, they are having a lot of different nutrients and minerals in them, so they are good to include in the diet. Example of leafy vegetables are like fenugreek, mint, spinach. They are the examples of leafy vegetables. Children, next is the seed. For example, mustard seeds को हम स्पाइसेस के फॉर्म में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं वेजिटेबल करीज के अंदर, and we obtain oils also from that mustard oil. You must have heard about that. Cumin seeds को हम spices के form में use कर रहे हैं. Fruits, you all are very well aware about the fruits. जितने भी आपको different type of आपके favorite fruits हैं, apple, nowadays it is season of mango, banana. These are the examples of the fruits. Next are the flowers, cauliflower, broccoli. These are the examples of the flowers which we use to eat in the form of food. Students, if we move to the animals in the form of the food sources, so animals से हमें अलग अलग टाइप के foods मिल रहे हैं. Like हमें मिल रहा है milk, we are obtaining curd, butter, cheese and honey from the honey bees. How honey bees make their honey? ये मधुमक्खी अपना हनी प्रिपेयर कैसे करती हैं? For that, children, they collect nectar. What is the nectar? Flowers के अंदर जो juicy part होता है, that is called as the nectar. तो honey bees, they used to sit over the flowers, will collect nectar from them, and उस nectar को जाके store करते हैं अपने honey bee hives जो हैं उनके अंदर, और वहाँ से हमें मिल रहा है honey. अब जितने भी एनिमल्स हैं, अगेन द बेसिक सोर्स ऑफ फूड इज ऑलवेज द प्लांट्स, बिकॉज प्लांट्स आर द प्रोड्यूसर्स। वो फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस से सनलाइट को यूज करके अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं। प्लांट्स के अलावा जितने भी दूसरे ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं, वी ऑल आर डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली डिपेंडेंट ऑन द प्लांट्स फॉर द फूड। बात करते हैं एनिमल्स की। अब डिफरेंट एनिमल्स की फूड हैबिट्स भी अलग अलग होती हैं, राइट? सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ food habits of different animals, they can be classified into 3 parts. These 3 parts are herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Children, science is a very beautiful subject. आपको इस सब्जेक्ट में बड़ी बड़ी जो टर्मिनोलॉजीज होती हैं, साइंटिफिक टर्म्स होती हैं, यू डू नॉट नीड टू क्रैम दैम, उनको रटने की कभी ज़रूरत नहीं होती। You only need to understand the meaning of those terms. So every word in science is having the specific meaning. उसका मतलब हमें समझ में आना चाहिए। Here is a word herbivores. This herbivores word is made up of further 2 words. First one is the herb, second one is the vores. Herb means होता है plant or plant parts, and vores means है to eat. That means herbivores are those animals which used to eat plants or plant parts as their food. Examples of herbivores are cow, sheep, etc. Next, move to the carnivores. Again, this word is again made up of the 2 words, carni and vores. Carni means students flesh, meat, and vores means to eat, khana. That is the meaning of carnivores. The flesh eating or meat eating animals are called as carnivores. Examples of carnivores are lion, python, etc. What is the meaning of omnivores? Again made up of 2 words. Omni means both. Both यहाँ पे word use कर रहे हैं हम for plants as well as for the flesh or meat. And vores means to eat. So the omnivores is that category of animals which used to eat plant parts as well as the flesh of other animals. Few examples of omnivores are dog, humans, etc. Children, till here we have discussed the different food sources which we used to eat. Now we are going to bind up this chapter with a short note. Food is very precious, children, and it is never to be wasted. But you are very young. आप अभी बहुत छोटे हैं. How you can contribute to help the poor or needy people, or how can you give your contribution in building of the nation? So, for helping any person, we never need a lot of things like money, age. These things doesn't matter. What matter is a strong will power, children. आपके पास एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग अगर विल पावर है तो आप किसी की हेल्प कर सकते हैं. एंड हाउ वी कैन हेल्प द नीडी पर्सन? नॉट वेस्टिंग, बाय नॉट वेस्टिंग द फूड. जब भी आप खाना खाते हैं अपनी प्लेट के अंदर कभी भी खाने को अनईटन पार्ट को छोड़ना नहीं है, पूरा फूड फिनिश करना है. दैट इज़ द ओनली वे हाउ यू कैन हेल्प द पुअर और नीडी पर्सन्स. Students, whenever you want to help a person, for that you need to take care of your body first. जब आप physically mentally fit होंगी then only you can help the others. And for maintaining your physical health you need to intake a balanced diet. Balanced diet means a diet which contains the variety of food items which include different nutrients in your diet. So till then keep eating balanced diet, maintain yourself, stay happy. Thanks for watching.